Hello, welcome to the One Trade. This is the one. Today is February the 23rd, 9:44 a.m. PST. So we'll see. It looks like a double bottom and engulfing, but only ES engulfing upward. NQ has not engulfing yet, so one more minute. We'll wait for the completion of the minute. If it's not engulfing, then we would like to wait for the next candle. Together, if two candle engulfing, then we can confirm, okay, this is double bottom, and you're gonna go back up. Let's see, 15 minute. From 15-minute chart, we can see this is a verified support layer. So the first time it bumps back, fall back, and this battlefield it bumps back, and the seller try to challenge this support area again. And this is third time. This time it only bumps so much. So we'll see, maybe double bottom and go straight up. Okay, we'll see a new candle. It's not engulfing yet. So we'll wait for the engulfing. If it's in NDR engulfing, then we'll do a long limit order here. Align the top bar. So for 1 hour chart, yes, it's a verified support layer after it breaks. And this is after the short drop. It feels like let's see if we can engulf. The last candle is too horrible. Huge. So we'll see this one. Hmm. I need to previously I was trapped by the fake breakout. It looks like hey, it's sideways, sideways. Hey, now it shows like bull flag and going up. So I go a lot do a long trade here, and I get kicked out. Lose some money. A loss trade before, but now let's see if it's in any other double bottom. It may not. Instead, if you look at 15 minute, it's not even a reverse card. This card is too big. But sellers trying to challenge it here, and this time you only get bumped up like this, and sellers keep trying, and this time we'll see. But we're not gonna go short at this critical support layer. We're gonna wait for a breakout and then retest to somewhere here, and then show a downward engulfing, and then we will downward engulfing somewhere between here and here. After it breaks out, then we'll go short. We'll see. So the first trade is a loose trade. We'll see here. This is today I lose 255 for my first trade because I get trapped by the bull flag. Which means I really need to take a lesson. That means when you break out, then should NQ and ES break out at the same time and significantly, not minor, not slightly break out. Something like this. Two more minutes, we'll see. ES shows more upward momentum. It takes like 80 to 85%, while NQ only like half and get resisted here. And this looks like engulfing. The market does not know where to go. Oh, this one shows a star. The market does not know where to go. But it's very intimidating to go short from here because this is a critical support layer. It's equally intimidating to go long here because the selling power, see, the RSI is so low. Essentially, everybody wants to sell and you sell, 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 and arrive this level, somebody jump in and buy it. You only bump up so much. Still get defended by ENA 21. Okay, this is a triangle sideway. Micro triangle sideway. I will see. Let's put it here, this way. Let's put it the triangle sideway and see if we can break out. Okay. Oh, it's a new candle. Actually, this is the first mini. So we'll wait. Wait for it breakout. Wait for the compression. This is only the first mini. We have 4 more minis. You see, if it gets rejected, probably that it's not breakout yet. It's gonna continue to go down. So just wait. See, it get rejected. You have 4 more minutes. Let's see. I just want to confirm that double bottom and gets pulled back. This time I'll try yes, so that I can put, cause the drawdown distance is gonna be a little bit long. I'm gonna put it here. Previously I tried NQ, that the drawdown distance is short, somewhere here. So it's only 250 bucks. But this time the drawdown distance is a little bit big. If it breaks out, I'll put my limit order here and um put my drawdown, put my stop loss somewhere here. So oops, it looks like 2 more minutes. She will come back and pick me up. Whoa, come back, never retest. Guess what? I might put something here. No, it's too big. I'll probably put and see which one gets triggered first. I don't know how it looks like. It never retests. You see? So we can see but double bottom, but the RSI has some divergence and going up. This is what I can tell the RSI divergence. So after I see this in breakout, close above this level, then I'm gonna go I'm gonna go long. Oh, we'll see. If it does not get triggered, then just skip this trade. Never rush. Because if we rush in here, then the drawdown distance is gonna be too big. Because I intended to set the stop loss here, as here, and so if I set it here, that's okay. But for NQ, if I say here, then my stop loss will be here rather than here. Hmm. What if both get triggered? Then with the micro profit, I will probably like quit one position. Mm. Oh no, looks like it never returns. It keep going up. 3 more minutes. We'll see. Stick to my trading principle. Never formal. Never rush high. Uh, Otherwise, my stop loss distance is going to be too big. I'm going to lose a lot. Otherwise, unless I want to reduce my position. Looks like that's okay. Then I can wait for the retest something. Who knows if there's any like triple down, triple bottom. we always have opportunity to get in a trade. So don't get FOMO. Stick to my trading setup. The trading setup is if overall it combines this 50 minute uh, candle gonna outpace this one. Together they outpace, then I set at the previous upper bound. Hopefully it will retest. Oh, it looks like this is star. Not sure where to go. So this star becomes the new something. So if it exists, you know what? Okay, looks like this is like a stretch. See which one gets triggered. So break, consolidate, and stretch. Stretch, consolidate, consolidate at this battlefield. Okay, that makes sense. Not sure if the second candle gonna be consolidate again, but my if there is such consolidate, then my stop loss will probably here rather than here. Oh, this is the first mini. It already shows a higher high. Consolidate, and maybe I just cannot get in the trade. Mm-mm-mm. 3 more minutes, we'll see. If I cannot get in the trade for this candle, then probably I will cancel all my limit order and wait for the retest. Wait for the retest. If the retest happen before ENA 200, then I will be hesitate to go long rather than once the retest happens, I will go short. But if the retest, if it keeps breaking out, break significantly above ENA 200, and then retest, then I wait for the retest and wait for the upward engulfing. And probably I don't find the time to go for the next trade. ES and NQ are on the same page. I don't see any distortion. They both show double bottom. It looks like this is still consolidation, but still trying to go up. But it can be perceived as the upward momentum keeps decreasing. Previously, it goes to here. Now it keeps decreasing, and maybe a downward engulfing will happen here. We'll see. Stop. Doesn't know where to go. Mm, I don't know, because you see the RSI right here, and now it arrives here. So it shows the RSI divergence. RSI reached to equal high, but the price action only way lower than this. Mm, okay, it seems like it goes straight up. Then forget about it. We cannot get on this trade. I'm not there to go long here because this is already a verified resistance. Maybe it keeps sideways back. So I'll probably cancel my order and wait for the plan is if the retest starting before ENA line or even a little bit above ENA 200, then I will go short. But if it keeps straight up, goes straight up, we'll see. Because this is the first time the seller attack. They only bump up so much. Second time. And if we keep bumping up back to, yeah, it's just something. I don't know. So it's still like a bearish market. Very intimidated to go long. That's why I need to make sure my entry is very conservative to minimize my potential loss. So previously just bump up to here. And second time, seller is trying to attack a second time. We'll see. I'm not there to set a long limit order here because this is a critical verify resistance level. So I'll see. I'll see the price action, how it reacts. Auto here is still like retest. I don't know. Not there to trade at this time. But if it shows downward engulfing, I'm there to trade. I'm there to trade. The last like bullish candle is so strong, so big. So I would not. This one will be like $500 for five. So if it shows engulfing, then probably I will trade yes. Oh, keep going up. Okay, keep going up. By this time, anytime you will retest because if you see NQ, there's two of this. So whenever you arrive this is RSI something, but this slam just eat out this divergence. Now it keeps moving up. We'll see the reaction. Okay, new candle. If okay, this candle is not that big. So if it shows downward engulfing, then I'll probably go short from there. We'll see. Keeps going up, not there to go long. See, it's higher, high, higher, high for each candle. So if I get on board somewhere around here, it will be easy. It will be very easy to move my trading stop loss. But this is not easy. If I'm not on board, it's not easy to get in the trade. God. Maybe next time I just need to reduce my position, get in the trade first. At least I make some bucks. Wait for you retest to ENA 21. Now ENA 21 start to trade the direction. Oh, as I say, if it engulfing starts, downward engulfing starts below or a little bit above ENA 200, then it's still downtrend. So I will go short. But if it keeps going up, obviously outpace like ENA 200. And I just need to wait for the retest ending and then wait for the upward engulfing. Oh. In this way, you don't need to pay close attention to the chart because we know that it doesn't matter whatever you play out during this 5 minutes. See, there's 17 a.m. Mm. I'm gonna check my email. I just stick to my trading setup, the principle. So I'm fine if I don't get on board and miss this uptrend. Uh, as long as it just goes straight up, straight down, it does not have any retest, deep retest. I'm fine. I don't get on board because the overstretch means a sharp reverse, maybe a deep reverse, a sudden reverse, and I push out for the overstretch, gonna make my stop loss distance pretty huge. Oops, it gets a rejection. Okay, small candle. Then the engulfing will be easier. Let's see the next candle. You can think of this small candle like, okay, upward momentum keeps decreasing or eventually vanishing. Or you can think of as consolidation, something. Well, we'll see this candle. We will see this candle if it ending are engulfed. But if it's slightly engulfed or something like this, okay, I'll put my limit order, go short limit order here. But if it's too big, something like here, then I'll stop. Anyway, I need to wait. I have to wait until the completion of this candle. Oh, it looks like a consolidation. Uh, Consolidate at the critical resistance level. That makes sense. Some people are trying to sell because they think okay, this is another verify, but the smart money keeps moving up. So no more buyers than sellers. I don't know. There may be some battle here, some sideway. I'll stretch to the upside. Never fear if I miss any trend. Okay, I supposed to make $1,000. No, stick. Anytime you will get trapped. So stick to trading principle. Now this is a double bottom. I'm not sure how long it's gonna go, but at least I need to see some retest. It will retest anytime. That's why I'm not there to get in a long trade. Especially if it lives farther and farther away from ENA 21. still, this is overstretch. We'll see. Uh, it's still beneath the ENA 200, so it's still downtrend. Just see if but this retest could probably retest back to this neckline of this double bottom. Oh my god, this double bottom, it shows a flag and shows upward and kick me out. This is weird. Still, this is a retest. But if we engulf this way, it's not easy to set the limit order. Maybe I will trade. Yes. See if engulf. So far, up to here, is still retest. It could probably keep going up for this candle. After all, this is only the first mini for this 5 minute candle. Oh, we'll see. Mm. Stretch. So this chain, if I get on board, that's very easy to move the trading stop loss. Mm. Oh, AI auto reply. Uh, oh, some divergence. NQ shows some bearish, while ES shows some bullish. I guess I can go short from here. Now this is just a retest. This is the first mini. We'll see the completion. Possibly, if my ES does not get triggered, then I will set an NQ limit order here at the lower point of the previous candle. We'll wait for the completion of this candle. Oops, oops, you're gonna trigger. Really trigger? Really trigger? Uh, 3 more minutes. It looks like the bullish, the buyer's momentum, upward momentum is still very strong. Pushback. That's why I need to set very risky. I need to set my limit order very conservatively. Okay, I get triggered, I get on board, and let's see if this is sideways and resume the downtrend, because this is under the ENA 200 and a little bit risky order because I don't wait for the compression of the candle. So that's why I set it here rather than the lower part here. I set it here. So it's a little bit conservative. I'll buy, I'll take profit here. Or maybe I can put it here. Yeah. Let's see, this is a double bottom, so it's a little bit risky. Maybe just retest to ENA 21. Maybe it's too early to talk about take profit. Look at NQ. At this time, it's still retest. Yeah, it's too early. Let's see. Now it's like sideways. God, Jesus. Sideways. Should I set the limit order somewhere here? Stop loss. I don't set stop loss because I'm not sure if there's a liquidity sweep. I just want to see where it close. Where it close. That really means a lot. See? Now NQ wants to go up and yes, is red candle trying to go down. Uh, well, NQ keeps going up, breakout, engulfing, and ES engulfing. It looks like this is sideways. Mm-mm, mm-mm. NQ already engulfing the sideways area. Maybe get rejected. That's why I don't set limit order. You can get out to somewhere around here, I don't know, and then quickly falls back. So if you set a limit order here, you get trigger, then who knows? Let's see this candle. If this candle end up still sideways, then I need to quit with micro profit. See, NQ is trying to go up, right? Yes, trying to go down. That's why I'm feeling like what's going on. Oh, it does not create a lower low. It creates a higher high though. Okay, NQ starts to go down. Yes, see if you can go lower low. 2 more minutes. Still at this level is still the retest. Up to here is still the retest. So I will apply my trading stop loss very cautiously. Okay, lower low. It seems lower low. Okay, great. Keep going. I cannot set a stop loss until I make sure, okay, the whole candle, even the peak point, the highest point of the candle leaves my is below my entry position. Now NQ shows some hesitation to go down. Why? We'll see this candle. So ES shows engulfing downward. NQ shows some hesitation, just because actually the bearish is so long. It's just that it goes up very quickly. We'll see. At this time, it can retest to my entry position anytime, so I don't set a limit order. I don't set even. I'll wait for this candle. the completion of this candle and see if the highest point here, then I will set a stop loss here. But it looks like this is gonna be a bullish candle. Oh, NQ starts to show some bearish. Great, great, great. First mini, so we'll wait. Okay, I set my stop loss just in case it bump up because it looks like it's trying to go down. And the highest point of this 5 minute candle is determined. So I set something here, make sure at least I make some money. Even micro profit is good. It's better than lose. So if it's just a little bit above here, let's see how it reacts to here. Oh no, it gets pushed back. We'll see how it reacts to here, around here. So during this time, I will apply like a type trading stop loss. Once I determine, I don't need to wait for the completion of the down bearish candle. And just, okay, it creates a lower low. Then I move to the highest point. Because this is above. Let's see how it reacts to ENA 21. How it reacts to ENA 21. Maybe I should just somewhere here, like 0.6. Don't be greedy. 0.6. Somewhere around here, because this is the battlefield. And this is verified. You can think of this is a liquidity speed and bump up back. But this overall, the overall market is down trend. That's why I pretty sensitive in going long. But very while I go long, I set very tight stop loss. But, mm, but when I go short, I'm feeling safe. It's just that when I just start the market, it looks like something like this. Oh damn, this candle, I don't like this candle. It's too huge. Secure more profit. See if it gets rejected at ENA 21. Okay, at least I make 100. Better than nothing, huh? Yeah, I like this feature. Either I look at point or I look at money. But for me, I most likely before this feature is available, then I just look at the structure. I don't look at the number. Okay, if you create a lower low, then I move my stop loss here. Try to make a lower low, flush to the downside so that I can move my stop loss somewhere here. As I say, this is, if it's retest, then maybe it get rejected somewhere around here. Lower low, lower low, even, even. ENA 21. Can you break ENA 21? Some support show up at ENA 21. Is still defending. Mm-mm-mm. See if you can close underneath ENA 21. Now this shows some defending. 3 more minutes. I'm a little bit intimidated, so I need to secure more profit. Looks like it just for NQ it just break out. Oh, this is a retest. Retest ending at ENA 21. But this is not easy to engulf. Very difficult to get in the trade. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, let's wait for the compression. If it really engulf, oh my God, then it will be very difficult for me to get in the trade. Maybe I need to reduce my size. Let's see, 2 more minutes. But if it's not engulfing, then we'll hold on. Wait until engulfing. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. If it's really break and retest to here, ending here. I wish the candle is like a little bit small. Okay, last minute. Uh, no, not engulfing. Okay, cannot trade, cannot put an order like this. We'll see. Cannot put the order. Maybe continue sideways if it keeps going up and engulf together, two candle together, then I probably get a long trade. That means ENA 21 performs very powerful and effective defense. But yeah, let's wait for the completion of this candle. Now it like it looks like both NQ and ES are less than half buyback, half. If it's still sideways, don't get in the trade. But if it break out to the downside, then we can always resume, always get in a short trade. We'll see. It's just that never. Okay, let me see. Okay. Hmm. Never get in the trade during a sideway. We'll see. Hmm. 3 more minutes. Okay, let's grab some water. Okay, it looks like it's engulfing 2 more minutes. We'll see if we close underneath ENA 21. In that case, we can pull in a trade. Okay, in that case, I can sell. I just want to see who gets triggered first. Sell. Hmm. But if it just goes straight down, it does not retest, then this is not my trade. Uh-oh, it looks like regardless of how much momentum it shows, never trace the trade because every single time there's something that gonna get me trapped. Oh, feels like I need to conduct very conservative stop loss that don't get triggered so that I can enjoy this. But I'm not sure because it's closing to the ENA 21. So I think okay, maybe I trading stop loss gonna be tight, a little bit tight to secure more profit. If it eventually reverse, like keeps going down and it does not retest. No. Mm-mm. There are 3 more minutes. Even the next candle will probably like retest to pick me on ball. It does not retest. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, for NK retest to the fair value gap, which is here and here. Let's see. Never trace to go short at this time because this area is the point six. So if it's retest, then it's gonna reverse from here. And until here, I need to wait for opportunity to go long. But until it shows engulfing, then we think of go short. Well, maybe cannot go short anymore. I mean, if it retests, it triggers here. That is an engulfing candle. Then I probably need to think of go long rather than short. It does not retest, then it's not a trade for us. It's not a trade for me. We'll see. I'm looking forward to some signal out here to see how it reacts. It leaves some fair value gap. Wait until the completion and see if it's engulfing. Press mini. You can continue down to here and we'll see if it break. Okay, just let it break. We wait for the retest. If it break, but we'll see some trend line. If there is something similar around here. Oh, this looks like bearish flag. So it's very intimidating to go long. Wait until it reaches here and go short. So I need to identify this channel, and whenever you reach the channel to the top, to the upside, whenever you reach the channel, oh, it keeps going down. If you identify it as a trend channel, if you identify this as a trend channel, hmm, one, two, three, four, five. So, so it's very intimidating to go long here. Maybe a small something and then show a reverse, clear reverse pattern so that I can jump in and go long. Just let me do a long order here. Kidding me. Especially some divergence. NQ wants to go up, but ES want to go down. It's still a downtrend. I don't see any symptom. The market is reverse. Maybe a small candle rather than something like this. Small candle. So then the next candle gonna be engulf. Easier. Don't be too big. Go up, but don't be too big. One is down and one is up. No, probably gonna straight down. Not there to go long. Why? One more minute. Three more minutes. Anything can happen. Hmm. Oh, momentum show up. Okay, for NQ, it already shows a reverse pattern. This is very standard reverse. For ES, it's not clear because this one. If NQ shows upward, then be safe. Put it here, and hopefully ES will retest. Hopefully. So we can have a very small stop loss distance. Somewhere around here, if we break close underneath this trend line, then just leave the trade. Oh, it does not trigger our limit order. Okay, on board. Oh no. That feels like liquidity speed, and I hope it does not look right. It does not look right. NQ still shows reverse, but it's not engulfing. As long as it's not engulfing this, this does not look right. Until it engulf here, we can start to talk about take profit. Before that, we need to talk about stop loss. This is a bearish flag, so we need to pay attention next time. It retests somewhere to ENA 200, then probably just drop, and some sideway around here. Look at NQ, it's still a retest, unless it engulf this one. But for ES, just ES does not look right, does not engulf. Oh, come on. Which means you're gonna continue sideway and continue break to downside. Okay, NQ already shows upside intention. So it's ES, but still it does not leave. It's still sideways. For ES, it's still sideways. Ooh, for NQ, it shows some reverse, but until this candle is the overall bullish engulf this one, the most recent one, then it's not really reverse pattern. For now, it's still under ENA 21. But after it breaks above ENA 21, maybe it's too late to get an entry because the drop down distance is going to be too big. Okay, but I bet this is the trend line lower bound. So my emotional stop loss will be here. If it close underneath here, then I'm gonna close, leave the trade. But I'm not gonna set a stop loss for now because who knows is quickly do a liquidity sweep and get my stop loss trigger and then bounce back. So I just want to see it how very close. I'm just scared for the flash liquidity, flash volatility. Okay, 3 more minutes. Let's see. For NQ is trying to engulf. It's trying to go up. For ES, okay, keep going up. I'm not greedy. I'm just see if you can close above this point. Oh no. CNQ. Then I need to wait for 2 more candles. Okay. I mean 6 more minutes. Make sure the next candle is keep going up and the lowest point. Oh my god, it's sideways. Well, NQ shows the uptrend, but ES continues sideways. That does not look right. We'll see. Wait for the completion of this candle. NQ is not sideways and it's trying to go up, but still not engulf this one. So still sideways. Sideways around here. Oh no. Sideways, sideways. Okay, see NQ this one. Still sideways. But if I trade NQ, then I can set stop loss somewhere here. But ES is sideways. Too early to talk about until you break out. Break out this part. Come on. Break out like A50, 52. Hmm. Sideways. Maybe I should not get in the trade during a sideways. Oh, NQ shows downside, but still sideways. Unless it close underneath here, I will not change. But this is sideways. So once I get some micro profit, I will quit. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Okay. If you don't close right there, then I will not count it. 3 more minutes, we'll see. Okay, NQ, come on. Oh, yes, want to break to the downside. So what about NQ? NQ still defended by the trend line. But yes, a little bit outpaced the trend line. Let's see if you can close underneath the trend line. And NQ both. Okay, 2 more minutes. Let's see NQ. NQ still not showing like downside breakout. But ES shows a minor. Let's see. 1 more minute. Oh, this keep going down. Then probably I need to quit. Let's see NQ. Can NQ close underneath the trend line? Okay, even the trend line is moving up, then it's still not close. Our ES is still sideways. NQ shows slightly upside, while ES is horizontal. Let's see. it shows the intention like to go down, but it does not close above this lower bow. The ES just break out. Oh no. It feels like it's trying to get me pressure. Hey, I'm going down, I'm going down. Hey, just commit your stop loss. Get out of the trade. See, the lower bow of the trend channel still defends and push it up. 2 more minutes. Let's look at this candle if we can upward engulfing. Mhm. Uh-oh, star. The market does not know where to go. That means the lower bow of the trend channel still defending. It's just ES want to go down. While for NQ, I see the trend channel still defending. He's trying to push out. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Still not sure where to go. Hmm. I don't care about money. I care about leave the fucking tray. Just get me out of the tray. With a micro profit, like $30, that's fine. Currently it's sideways, so it should not be in the tray. But let's see. NQ. NQ does not know where to go. Oh, Mm-mm. I want to wait for the $20, then I just click flatten. Oh my God. Maybe next time $7 I'll click $7 I'll click flatten button. Then why not just set my take profit here? Okay, it looks like $25. That's not bad. It's better than lose. Still sideways. Oh, break out to the downside. It seems. Okay, 2 more minutes. See if you close. If you close underneath this trend line, I will quit. Go. Okay, then it looks like it's trying to break after this sideways. Hmm, lose more. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, I get triggered. So my stop loss will be above unit 21. Let's wait for the compression of this candle and we'll see if we're gonna talk about stop loss or take profit. Yeah, this is gonna be a bullish candle. I just want to see how much we fight back. If it creates a lower low, how much do I lose today? This is big. If it's a bear flag and break, then it should at least meet the bottom. Is that correct? But if we close out of here, then probably like the trend reverse. I think it break out to downside. So it should not close at this level. Maybe close here, but you can trigger here. Yeah, from 5-15 minute, this looks like a bearish flag. We'll wait for the completion of this candle and see. I'll wait for two. Okay, it triggers my entry level. So I wait for two more candle to set the stop loss. Unless you have a big flash. But if you do not create a lower low, that's a red flag. I need to set out the stop loss immediately. Cause could probably like bounce back, reverse pattern. Oh no. Consolidate and see this one. It can consolidate and stretch, but it can also like reverse. Let's see this. This is very critical. If this keep going down, then come on, create lower low, create lower low, and then I can set on the stop loss here. At least I make some money because you can reverse. I don't care if I only make some micro. Oh, yes, has created a lower low. Come on, keep pushing down. Hmm. Okay, it looks like this is a flag pattern and you end the R here. You end the R here. I'm not sure if I should take profit somewhere around here. Maybe I'm too greedy. This is going down, but I need to wait for the completion of this candle to move my trading stop loss. At this time, I don't see it's a reverse pattern because it creates a lower low, so the market keeps going down. keeps going down. Two more minutes. Go. Maybe I just $50. $67, that's fine. This candle is keep going down, so the next candle going down, but not would not rush. 67.5 profit is good enough. I just want to be conservative and let it through unless it has a deep retest and retest to my entry level, which is pretty much like fake reversal pattern. Then this is not my trade, but it is like a lower low, a lower high, lower high, lower high, something like that. Then I should not get triggered. But oh my God, this is consolidate. It does not close underneath the sideway. One more minute. Yes, I was already. Please close underneath the sideway. Close underneath the sideway area. NQ. Close underneath the lowest point of this one. Close the lower low. Otherwise, potentially you can reverse. We'll see this one. Mm, okay, big momentum to the downside and create a lower low. Okay, you're gonna stretch. If it's like flag pattern and keep going down, see this one. If it's flag out of here, flag pattern keeps going down, then I don't know. Maybe I just need to be conservative to sell it here. The first meeting, we'll see. Wait for the completion of this candle. If it close underneath, then I will move my trading stop loss to here. 3 more minutes. Triple five. That looks like a nice number. Okay, some resistance here. When it arrives here, I probably need to conduct some more straightforward, more tight trading. I don't need to wait for the compression, just in case it bounce back suddenly and secure more profit. Just want to secure more profit. Oh, no. Okay, recharge and go to the outside. Maybe I just need to take profit whenever it reaches like 400. Hmm. Oh, they're gonna kick me out. Be conservative. Oh, yes, want to fight back, but NQ still reluctant to go up. Sideway around here. Oh, fight back. Oh, it does not trigger. Lucky, but maybe just, I don't know. Almost trigger, but it does not. So is this a deep retest? Sideway around here. ES almost engulf. Good thing I trade NQ. If I trade ES, probably I already get kicked out. But it's not engulf yet. Oh, engulf. Then I'm gonna get kicked out. It is fight back. Fight back around here. Okay, I don't take profit here, which is 400. And after kicking me out, it reduced downside. Oh my God. Then I don't not dare to go short. What? CES is already need to wait for the completion of this candle. Now there is some divergence. NQ wants to go down, but ES want to go up. Mm. Oh, you don't retest? You kidding me? You don't retest? Come on. Mhm. Okay, get me on board. So keep engulfing. If you're not engulfing, then I'm danger. I'm in danger. Yes, keep engulfing. NQ try to engulf. One more minute. Okay, engulf. Yes, engulf. So keep going up. Wait for the completion of this candle. Oh no. Oh no. Then I need to set oh, for ES it's just retest. Never mind. Retest. Yeah, it retest here. That's reasonable. No, too early to talk about take profit. We are in the sideway. NQ does not engulf, while ES engulf, and now it seems like if this close and to be a sideway, then I probably need to quit. For me, see, ES is still like sideway. So NQ is still like higher low, and higher high. So maybe I should put my limit order somewhere here in this case. Well, for ES, I should put it here. Got the lesson. 3 more minutes. I just look at ES and see if it's retest or sideways. If it's sideways, then I'll quit. 2 more minutes. Go. For NQ is already create a lower low. If you create a lower low, I will quit. Oh, for NQ is sideways. Is sideways. See this red green at the same range. But for ES, it looks like it engulfed so strong. It engulfed the most recent two. For ES, it's still retest. 1 more minute. Go. Show strong downward momentum, but not break this part. We'll see. Things are not looking good. And a little bit formal, I just concerned it does not trigger my something, so I put it here, which aligns the previous low point. So I think, okay, I'm gonna retest to here. No. And the no. Okay, this is gonna be a bullish, and see if this bullish candle will engulf the sideways area. But if it engulfs if you arrive here, then I need to quit. Well, we'll see ES engulf this one, and NQ will probably like engulf the lower point. Then I just need to quit. Uh-oh. It fight back. I don't know how long it will go, but just the lower point of this sideway, and this is some critical price level and way above the ENA 21. So we'll see. But before that, I will commit like a trading stop loss. Let's see this candle. If it falls back, remain candle. 3 more minutes. If it falls back and end up like continue sideways, then I need to quit. I mean, if shoulder hand shoulder, then at least it should arrive this part. Oh no, it does not look good. It does not look good. It feels like it get pushed back so fast. So I need to prepare my stop loss. Let's see, yes. Yes, still in a retest position, but NQ like liquidity sweep and keep going short. Hmm. What's going on? See if it close underneath this sideway and with this liquidity sweep, then I can close this position. It's evident enough. Go, keep going short, and this is the retest. Foaming, don't foam me like that. But yes, still don't cover this full candle. But yes, NQ just show sideways and breakout. One more minute. I'm setting my stop loss here. I will not be greedy. Get out of the trade. Or maybe here. And this time. Okay. Well, yes, it looks like it's still trying to go up. That's why I keep holding this trade. Okay, I'll set my stop loss somewhere here. So either I lose like two, 2-1, or I make 480. And if it's hand shoulder issue around here, this is another verified resistance. So we'll see. But maybe I should not get in the trade like this. Oh, it keeps going down. This is the retest. Oh, doom. But ES still show this like higher high, but lower high, higher low. God, why fool me like this? keep going down. Selling pressure is big. Okay, so much for today. Thank you very much. Stop recording.